The following are the steps for installing the screw elevator. Insert the casing helical core. Spiral tube. Be careful not to lose the top silicone pad. Then install 4 positioning screws. Make sure before the 2 riser screws are left screw and right screw. It's in a relaxed state. Then, the screws are fixed. After the 4 positioning screws are fixed, lift the screw. Then the clamp is clamped. The spiral pipe is installed. Then put the bottom 2 screws. Just fix it tightly. Install the silo below. Put the 4 shock pads in place. Place in place. After the 4 screws are fixed, wear it in. Install the push nut. The nut can be installed after locking. Vibration motor. Nut screw. Vibration motor. Installation location. Sixth party nut tightening. The first step is to put on the silicone tube. Silicone tube set completed. Next, install the clamp. First, take the clamp apart. It's stuck on the silicone tube. A clamp above. The following clamp. Just install it.